Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get XPs faster in Fish. So basically, you're going to want to play with friends. If your friend is in the same server, you'll get more XPs. You can also do this. You can go to your equipment bag, and you can find there should be like a rod with the most XPs. I don't know which one it is though. I don't remember. Currently I have the Great Rod of Oscar on, but basically you'll need to get the one that'll give you the most XPs, I guess, and you're just going to fish here for a long time to get to level up faster. So I'm on level 1000 and I cannot go more than that. I think 1000 is the most level that you can reach, and I've reached it. So, oh, actually, there's now more than level 1000. So yeah, just do that. And that is it for this video. My only advice is to just play a lot, honestly, and play in the same server as your friends. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.